Hi everybody, good afternoon. Oh, I wish I can take a nap today. But even if I'm here now, we just arrived from town, buying some drinking water. But I still need to watch the baby pigs, the young one. Every 2 hours, we will put to the ma so they can have milk, they can eat. So this is my job today, all day. But after 3 days or 4 days, maybe a week, I will just make it a week. We will open the door here. Then no need to watch. So now I'm here in the big house. Let's check the small, young, beautiful, healthy piglets. So here they are. Okay. I wanna get inside here. So I'm going to put the little one. Hi, Ma. Just take it easy, Ma. Come on. Come on. Take it easy. Little one. Little one. Little one, baby. So here they are. They're sucking teeth. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Very good. Suck teeth. There you go. Very good. Sige, Ma. Nagpagutok. Nagpagutok. Come on. Suck teeth. Hurry up. Come on. They're so cute. It is around 1 o'clock in the afternoon here. Then I'm going to wait there after the sleep. That's the time I put it back to their room. Come on. So it is so nice. There's small little room here, full of haze. I cannot wait till a week after. So we will open the door here, and I don't need to come up here and watch. Don't fight each other. There are so many teeth there. It's so big, Ma, really. Very, very big, Ma. So this is our fourth, Ma. Mama, our fourth Mama Pig. My gosh, you should see them. They're done feeding. Now I'm just sleeping again. But there are some. We still have 3 here. He still wants to suck. Then if they Lay down, that's the time I'm going to move it. Put it here in the room. She really have a lot of marks. She got a lot of teeth. 16 teeth, guys. 16. So they only have 10. So the two there, they already done sucking. Then I need to put this one back here. See that? I need to grab her. Let's go, baby. Come on. Okay. Put it back here. Oh, sorry. And the mom is okay. Won't bother me. Very good, ma. So the two there, they're still fighting each other. Suck all you can. Boots, lapa. Are you done, baby? I think she's done. Okay, you wanna go up? Okay. There you go. So they still have one there left. I think she's still hungry. Hurry up! Solo. Hurry up, baby piglet. Sorry, guys. I burp. She didn't care. So all the piglets are there. 10. There you go, the last one. They're full now. Then the ma here is still tired. So tired. And I wanna cover this one. So you won't get shell. There you go. And I'll be back, guys. See you later. Thank you so much for watching my video. I guess mom wants to get up and want some food, mom. Okay. I wanna get some food for you. Bye, guys. Before I fed this one. Please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe also. Thanks, everyone. Oh, wow, at last, guys. It's so quiet now here. Piglets are full and happy. They are sleeping now and so quiet. And now I'm going to give them food. So she can have some food here. I know she fed so many piglets. So I'm gonna go to the house, get some food here. And after that, I wanna take a nap a little. Because you should see my eyes here, guys. Okay. And today afternoon, I am alone again. The 3 guys, well, they're done. Philip, Theodore, and Ondoy. When they went to town this morning, we saw way back, we saw that place where we haul a haze. There is a no pile there. Then now they go. So it is almost close to 2 o'clock here. So later they will be here. And Philip said, even if, well, we should see the sky. What a blue sky. I told to Philip that after the rain, I said, can I plant my tomato on your garden? She said, are you kidding? Why are you planting outside? It's not rainy days yet. I said, okay. I follow Philip because he always monitor the weather here twice a day. Then in the night and in the morning, early morning. I check the weather forecasts here. So that is why we know when it rain and we know it's no rain. So there are times that the forecasts here are it's not really they're not exact to the time that the day that they said, but at least we know when it rains and when it's not. So because you know here we always need to prepare. It's gonna be the next things to be done. So that is why we're so busy here every day. Okay, ate! Somebody's here, ate. Ate Dami.
Nag-anin sila dito.
Oh, nag-ani sila ti. Lami man ilang napalit ng yuta ti kay na.
Irrigation.
Na ikaw galingong ko ante tubod. Na kuan ba na si.
Nindot na.
Ay niya magawas. The snack of Kuya Doro, Ondoy, and Philip. Dali, Bing. Little wants to follow me always. Close the door. So, hi guys. Ate Dami is still here. She wants to look at my turkey. Nasa tiliwala sa mga buwak. Oh. Ako doon ang gitoyo, tiba? Tara. Nagharapin siya kuan diha. Yung si Andre 30 kapin.
Nindot na naapod na ana ba? Imong gamag kuan ba ani nga na.
Kuan na timing lagi kay lagi te.
Kataguan niya.
Kataguan bitaw.
Mag-uwan na
Di mabasa. Dako ba sila space?
Oo.
Kadagan-daganan. Sana lagi ti. Oh.
Ang kadirdat ba? Ang iyaha ko no gingani. Nani sana gyud.
Daghan te.
Iyaha ko no kinuan ko no to ni sa hinatag siyang ugangan.
Niya sila ray mulumlum.
Sila ra. Mura man kana lumlum man na
Lagi na
Dadi kay naglain di ka.
Akong gikuha kay
Lumluman og lain.
mabulaka man ko te kay sa Bisaya lagi ni ko kadugay ba niya maglumlum ipanguan ako unom ka buok.
Ay di man na maglumlum og kana. Di.
Thank you te.
Salamat guys.
Ito na po ko sa akong bisyo. Oh guys, I wanna get so much for that. I wanna get now the mama food. Here is his container. The ground here is so messy really. I don't have time to clean it because I need to focus to the little one. I need to get a hat. Oh my god, there's a fire there. You should see the smoke. Somebody's burning that. Vito's father is there. Guys, let's eat ice pop. This is from Ate Dami a while ago. Yummy. Perfect for today. Mm. Mm. Yeah, somebody's there. Making a fire. Mm. So bye guys. I need to feed now the pig. So yummy the ice pop. I've got a food here. So I would like to say bye bye for now. Thank you so much for viewing my video, and please don't forget to click like and comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone. God bless you all. I'll be back later.